So we will solve the questions related to the quadratic equation method to determine the an unknown contents involved in the quadratic equations. Okay, in uh, are in solutions are root in given. Okay, so here's a unknown constant. We will determine. Sometimes the unknown constants is given only one unknown constants. For the sake of it, we will put the value of these unknown constant in a quadratic equations and solve it and find the value of the unknown constants. And sometimes two unknown constant is the content is given in the quadratic equations. So we have to put the two unknown contents in a given quadratic equations, find the that forms the two linear equations, and solve these two linear equations and get the value of the two unknown contents in quadratic equations. Okay, so these are the methods by means of which we can solve the question. So here is the method to determine here method to determine the method to determine an unknown contents unknown content method to determine unknown content involved in the quadratic equations involved in a quadratic equations involved in a quadratic equations when in sol- when in solutions are in a given when in solutions are root is given. Okay, these are the our main content. What it's now we will start here. What will you do? First conditions: if one unknown content is given in the quadratic equations, then given in a quadratic, and then we substitute or put the value of unknown content in a given quadratic equations and solve it to get solve it to get the value of unknown content. Okay, first and second, if the two value of unknown content is given, then substitute or we put the value of both unknown content that form two separate linear equations and Therefore, we solve and get the value of unknown content. Okay, by this process. Suppose that we will take the examples. Example is given here. So suppose just we are going to start the example kn square kx square plus 2x kx square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, where x value is given here 2 and the second is given here x square plus 2ax minus k is equal to 0. Then if x is equal to given here minus a, then we will find out. So let's say start the solutions. We will start the solutions for substituting by putting x is equal to 2. So given x is equal to 2 is given here. So we will put here the value of x in unknown contents. So it becomes k 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then k 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 3. It became 3. K4 is equal to 7. Then k is equal to 7 by 4. Value of k, we have got it. Now second steps are second questions. Here is given x square plus 2ax minus k is equal to 0, and x is given here, the value is minus a. Substitute the value of a in equations, given equations. Okay, so given equations is here. So we will write here x square value is a square plus 2a into minus a, got it, minus k is equal to 0. So it would be a square plus minus 2a square minus k is equal to 0. A square minus 2a square becomes minus a square minus k is equal to 0. Then k minus k is equal to k is equal to a square. This becomes the answer. Okay, so value of k we have find here. Suppose that we will take the second question. Second types of the questions we will take here. Questions we will solve here. Example second. Okay, here we will, let's say, start the example seconds. If x is equal to 2 and if x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 is the root of given quadratic equations. Here is quadratic equations. We will write here, sir, quadratic equation. 3x square plus 2ax plus 3ax square plus 2ax plus 2b is equal to 0. So these are the equations given. Now first let's ax is equal to 2. Substitute this value. We will substitute x is equal to 2. So 2 square plus 2a into 2 plus 2b is equal to 0. Alright, 3 2 just 6. 12 plus 4a plus 2b is equal to 0. Then it becomes 12 4a plus 2b. Then it becomes 2a plus b is equal to 6. Okay, is equal to minus 6. First is equal to plus 6 is equal to 0. This first quadratic equations we have found here. Second, substitute let's x is equal to 3. Then substitute this value in this equation. 3 square 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2b is equal to 0. That is in the 27 plus 6a plus 2b is equal to 0. Then here we will get here. So 6a plus 2b plus 27 is equal to 0. This is second question. Equation second. Now solve this from equation second and the first. 2b is given, 2b is given. Then here write here 2a plus b plus 6 is equal to 2a. Suppose that first equations will not reduce it, so it becomes 12a plus 4a plus 2b plus 12 is equal to here 0. Got it? So and the second is here here is 6a plus 2b plus 27 is equal to 0. First and the second equations. Okay, now subtract by subtracting minus and the minus, cancel out bb, it becomes minus 2a minus 2a minus 5 and 15 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 15 by 2. Got it? So value of a we have find here. Now if we find the value of a, substitute. Now we substitute the value of a is equal to 15 upon 2 in equations. Suppose that first take here. So we will take the equation first here. So first equation is given here. It's a 2a plus b plus 6 is equal to 0. 2 into 15 by 2 plus b plus 6 is equal to 0. And so now cancel out 21 plus b is equal to 0. Then b is equal to minus 21. Got it? So it becomes 21. So answer will always be a is equal to 15 by 2 and b is equal to minus 21. This is the answer, and by means of which if the two unknown content is given, then you will form the linear equations and solve it. One content is given, then put the value of one contents in a quadratic equation, solve and get the value. Okay, these are the directly we can solve it in a quick way. This is the quick way response of the given questions. Okay, thank you very much, and okay, take care. Bye bye.